Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I am fine too, thank you. Okay, first of all, let's start our meeting with praying together. Okay, Naura, please lead your friend. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hasna idza syi'ta sahla. Amin. Okay, thank you, Naura. Well, now I will check your attendance first. Almadina Putri, Arumaisa Izzati, Arwa Hafizah, Zakia Makfirah, Brilian Konita, Gaida Syifa, Naura Nadir, Rizka Nafi'ah, Salsabila Khairunisa, Sausan Afra, Soima Takia, Ashifa, Alifah Zatil Izzah, Vina, Naila Faras, Aisyah, Kisa. I wanna invite you to play games. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's listen carefully. The instruction is, do what I say, don't do what I do. But you have to look at me. Just look at me. Are you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's we try. Stand up, please. Okay, remember, do what I say, don't do what I do. Okay? Okay. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Its name is, it is the part of my body. Jadi nama gamenya the part of my body. Okay. It is my head. Okay. Just look at me. Just look at me. It is my head. It is my nose. It is my ear. It is my finger. It is my face. It is my eyes. It is my eyes. It is my nose. It is my tongue. It is my cheek. It is my knee. Okay. Who is wrong? Who is wrong? Okay. Okay, please sit down. Okay. Masih ada yang bertahan? Masih ada yang bertahan? Salah semua? Salah semua? Oke, masih ada ya? Oke. Kita lanjut. It is my shoulder. It is my leg. It is my eyes. It is my nose. It is my mouth. It is my cheek. Oke, give applause for us. Jadi 3 orang ini adalah yang terfokus. Oke, well, before we continue our lessons today, do you still remember what did we learn last week? Apa? Greeting card. Okay, so what is greeting card? Really?
Greeting card is the illustrated card used to convey an expression of friendship or other feelings.
Okay, greeting card is an illustrated card that convey to convey an expression of friendship or other feeling, ya. Okay, as we know that greeting card is so many kinds of greeting card, ya. Can you mention it? Apa aja? Kenapa kemarin? Congratulations. And then? Condolence card. And then? Okay, special occasion such as birthday, Lebaran day, and then other ya. Banyak lainnya. Okay, well, now please pay attention. I will play a video. Silakan simak baik-baik. Ini videonya tentang apa? Ya, silakan disimak baik-baik.
Hi Dusty, welcome to Indonesia. Hi bro, thank you for fetching me. My pleasure. So where are we going now? You're in. You need to have a rest. Okay, how do we get there? I want to try public transportation. Sure, there are some buses, MRT, and taxis. Which do you want? I want to go by MRT. There is an MRT station that I know, but we need a taxi to go there. Oh, is the station far? 30 minutes by car. I'll order an online taxi.
Okay, enough? Or once more? Enough or once more? Once more, okay. Kita saksikan sekali lagi ya.
Hi Dusty, welcome to Indonesia. Hi bro, thank you for fetching me. My pleasure. So where are we going now? You're in. You need to have a rest. Okay, how do we get there? I want to try public transportation. Sure, there are some buses, MRT, and taxis. Which do you want? I want to go by MRT. There is an MRT station that I know, but we need a taxi to go there. Oh, is the station far? 30 minutes by car. I'll order an online taxi.
Okay, based on the video, there are two boys in a certain place. So what are they talking about?
The first boy wants to try public transportation, and the second boy say that there are some buses, MRT, and taxis. But the first boy wants to try MRT.
Oke, jadi di dalam percakapan itu tadi gimana ceritanya? Ada dua anak laki-laki ya di suatu tempat, itu maybe in bandara ya, di bandara. Nah, temannya datang dari luar negeri mau ke tempat penginapan begitu ya. Kemudian tadi dia minta apa? Minta naik kendaraan umum. Apa aja sih kendaraan umum yang di sini? Iya, tadi dia menyebutkan there are some buses and then MRT and taxis. Katanya begitu ya. Ya. Jadi ya. Di situ berisi tentang asking and giving information. And want to try public transportation and then there are some buses. Tadi begitu ya pernyataannya, MRT and taxis. So we can conclude that it tells about the existence of things. So in this opportunity, we are going to learn about the use of there is and there are. Yeah, we will discuss about the use of there is and there are, and then what are the differences between there is and there are itself, and how to use it. Okay, so to increase your understanding about it, you should pay attention in the explanation from this video. Okay, be focused. You can take a note the important things from this video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss people. Welcome to English lesson. Today we are going to study about there is and there are. Nah, apa sih itu there is and there are? There is atau there are itu artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah ada. Jadi ada itu bahasa Inggrisnya there is atau there. Bagaimana penggunaannya there is dan bagaimana penggunaannya there are, itu ada perbedaannya. Nah, there is itu biasa digunakan untuk singular. Jadi there is itu selalu diikuti oleh singular. Singular adalah kata benda tunggal. Contohnya adalah ada gambar sebuah apel. Ingat, singular adalah benda tunggal, hanya satu saja. Ada sebuah apel. Kalau kita bahasa Inggrisin, ingat tadi ada itu menggunakan there is atau there are. Karena dia hanya satu apel, maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there is an apple. Next. Ada gambar sebuah kursi. Ada sebuah kursi. Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there is a chair. Next. Ada lagi. Ada seekor burung. Bahasa Inggrisnya berarti there is a bird. Ingat, there is digunain atau there is itu diikutin oleh singular atau kata benda tunggal, hanya satu. Ingat ya, there is digunain apabila bendanya itu hanya satu aja, bukan lebih dari satu. Namun there is itu juga digunain untuk yang lain. Nah, there is juga bisa diikutin sama uncountable noun. Apa sih itu uncountable noun? Uncountable noun artinya benda yang nggak bisa dihitung satu. Kalau apel kan bisa dihitung. Ini apel satu, ini kursi satu, ini burung satu. Tapi kalau misalnya ini kita nggak bisa ngitung. Contohnya adalah air. Kamu bisa ngitung air? Nggak bisa kan? Kamu nggak bisa ngitung air satu air, kemudian 2 air. Yang kamu hitung adalah tempatnya, 1 botol air, 1 gelas air, 1 sendok air. Itulah yang dihitung. Misalnya lagi gula, kamu nggak bisa hitung gula satu, nggak bisa. Meskipun ada gula yang blok gitu ya, kamu nggak bisa. Hitungnya gula adalah 1 sendok gula, 1 gram gula, 100 gram gula. Jadi ada ukurannya. Jadi yang namanya uncountable noun, contohnya adalah kayak gini. Ini uncountable noun. Ada susu, ada sugar, ada salt, water, tea, butter, flour, dan lain-lain. Masih banyak lagi uncountable noun yang bisa kamu cari di internet nantinya ya. Nah, there is ini digunakan juga diikutin sama yang namanya uncountable noun. Contohnya adalah gula. Ada banyak gula. Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there is much sugar. Uang nggak bisa dihitung. Meskipun yang dihitung itu yang kita hitung adalah nominalnya, bukan lembarannya. Meskipun uang itu kan ada lembarannya gitu kan. Tapi yang kita hitung apa? Nominalnya, bukan lembarannya. Kalau misalnya di sini ada banyak uang, maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there is much money. Minyak. Ada banyak minyak, maka bahasa Inggrisnya there is much oil. Yep. Ada bahasanya adalah there is. There is seperti tadi digunain diikutin sama singular, kalau nggak gitu diikutin sama uncountable noun. Paham ya? Sedangkan there ini diikuti sama plural. Plural itu adalah kata benda jamak atau lebih dari satu. Contohnya adalah 3 apel. Dia kan lebih dari 1 apel kan? Ada 3 apel. Maka yang kita gunakan adalah there are 3 apples. Karena di sini ada 3, maka dia menggunakan S. Karena plural dia menggunakan S di belakangnya. Next. Contoh lagi adalah ada banyak buku. Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there are many books. Ada banyak buku. Nggak cuma 1 buku aja, tapi bukunya ada banyak. Ada 2 kursi. Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there are 2 chairs. Ingat, kalau lebih dari 1 menggunakan are, kalau hanya 1 menggunakan is. Baik, sekarang kita akan ke latihan. Kapan sih kita menggunakan is, kapan kita menggunakan are. Contohnya adalah nomor 1, bla bla bla, a clock. Lihat di sini jamnya hanya berapa? Tuh kan? Nah, kalau di sini hanya ada maka kita menggunakan is. Maka jawabannya adalah there is. Nomor 2, There are blah 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 3 tables. 3 tables. 1, 2, 3. Ada 3 meja. Karena 3, maka dia menggunakan are. Maka jawabannya adalah there are 3 tables. Next. There blah 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 a board. Hanya ada 1 papan tulis di sini. A board. Ada kata-kata karena dia hanya 1, maka dia menggunakan is. Maka jawabannya adalah there is a board. Number 4. There blah 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 a map. Map. Di sini ada peta. Maka dia menggunakan is. Jawabannya adalah there is a map. Yang kelima, there are blah 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 3 chairs. Ada 3 kursi. Karena dia 3, berarti dia menggunakan are. Berarti jawabannya adalah there are 3 chairs. Jelas ya? Sekarang kita latihan membuat kalimat menggunakan there is atau there are berdasarkan dengan gambar. Di sini sudah ada gambar sebuah bedroom. Kita akan membuat kalimat menggunakan there is dan juga there are. Ini ada gambar 1 jam. 1 jam. Kalau kita bisa membuat kalimat misalnya adalah ada sebuah jam dinding. Itu kan ada sebuah jam dinding. Maka bahasa Inggrisnya adalah there is a clock. Karena dia cuma 1, maka dia menggunakan there is a clock. Contoh berikutnya ini. Ada beberapa buku. Ada beberapa buku. Maka bahasa Indonesia adalah there are some books. Sekarang ada bantal ya yang kita kasih tanda gitu. Ada beberapa ada 3 bantal. Maka bahasa Indonesia adalah there are 3 pillows. Karena 3 maka dia menggunakan are. Next. Ada lampu di situ. Lampunya ada berapa sih? 1. Maka ada sebuah lampu. Jadi bahasa Indonesia there is a lamp. Okay.
And if I want to ask questions, kalau mau bertanya gimana? Okay, let's see. Is there a dog in the car? Jadi ini kalau kita mau bertanya, apakah ada anjing di dalam mobil? Kita lihat ya. Tadi there is, kalau bertanya kita balikan is-nya di depan sehingga dia menjadi is there. Is there a dog in the car? Yes, there is. Ya, ada. Okay, let's see another example. Are there birds on the building? Apakah ada burung di atas gedung? There-nya dibalik ya, dia menjadi are there. Dan jawabannya yes, there are. Ya, ada. Okay, next. Are there cars in the parking lot? Apakah ada mobil di tempat parkir? Nah, karena kosong, berarti jawabannya no, there aren't. Tidak ada. Is there anybody in the bus stop? Apakah ada orang di halte? No, there isn't. Atau there is not ya. Artinya tidak ada. Now let's see the dialogue. Are there cars on the street? Yes, there are. Apakah ada mobil di jalan? Iya, ada. So, there are cars on the street. Ada mobil di jalan. Are there cars on the street? No, they are not. Atau no, they aren't. Tidak ada mobil di jalan ya. There are no cars on the street. Is there anybody on the zebra cross? Apakah ada orang di zebra cross? Yes, there is. Ya, ada. There is somebody on the zebra cross. Ada orang di zebra cross.
Thank you very much for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, well, what is the purpose of the use there is and there are? Jadi apa sih penggunaan dari there is dan there are itu sebenarnya apa tujuannya? Untuk apa? Okay, to tell someone. Ya, to tell someone about the existence of things. Okay, good. Jadi, penggunaan there is dan there are itu bertujuan untuk to show the existence of things, people, or animals. Jadi, penggunaan there is dan there are itu adalah untuk menyatakan atau mengungkapkan keberadaan suatu benda. Bisa benda, bisa orang, juga bisa binatang, ya. Jadi ada atau tidak adanya. Jadi keberadaan benda tersebut. Bisa juga kita untuk melakukan inventaris, mendata sebuah barang-barang seperti itu. Kita bisa pakai there is and there are. Tadi dalam bahasa Indonesia, there is and there are artinya ada, ya. Kalau misalnya Miss di sini, nah ya, ini apa? Pen. Oke. Kalau Miss letakkan di sini, berarti kalau dalam kalimat seperti apa? Oke. There are 2 pens on the table. Oke. Kalau misalnya Miss ambil 1, jadi there is a pen. Ya, a pen. There is. Dia pakai there is karena hanya 1 tunggal. Karena tadi disebutkan bahwa there is itu, ya, there is followed by singular, ya. Dalam diikuti, there is itu diikuti oleh kata benda tunggal. Ya, namanya tunggal itu berarti 1. Nah, kalau misalnya Miss ambil, jadinya ada atau tidak? Jadi kalimatnya seperti apa? There is not. Oke, there is no a pencil on the table, gitu ya. Nah, kalau kalian ingin membuat kalimat negatif, ya. Kalau kalian ingin membuat kalimat negatif, kalian hanya perlu menambahkan not setelah to be, ya, setelah verb. Ya. Kalian bisa menambahkan not. Misalnya there is, berarti there is no. There are no. Gitu ya. Kemudian there is juga tadi disebutkan bahwa there is itu diikuti oleh uncountable noun. Dulu sudah pernah dibahas ya tentang countable and uncountable noun. Apa itu? Benda-benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Air, water. Kalian bisa menghitung air? 1 air, 2 air, ada nggak? Minyak, bisa dihitung nggak? Nggak bisa. Kemudian, apa lagi? Keju, bisa dihitung? Nggak. Bisanya itu dalam bentuk, ya, dalam bentuk ketika benda tersebut sudah di tempat gitu ya, di wadah. Oke, ini contohnya. Ada there is much sugar, gitu ya. Kenapa dia pakai much? Karena banyak. Iya, banyak, tidak bisa dihitung. Dia pasangannya di uncountable noun. Kalau many di di plural ya. Oke, kalau there are, ya, there are is followed by plural noun. Ya, ada 3 apel. There are 3 apples. Jangan lupa ditambahin s karena dia banyak, jamak ya, begitu. Nah, ini ketika kita ingin membuat pertanyaan, maka to be-nya ditaruh di depan. Yang tadinya there is menjadi is there. Oke, atau are there, seperti itu ya. Oke, is it clear? Clear? Oke, bisa ya. Nah, lihat tabel berikut ya. To say that something exists or doesn't exist, ya. Ada atau tidak ada. Ada yang berbentuk kalimat positif atau afirmatif. There is diikuti dengan singular noun. Contohnya tadi, there is a book on the desk. Oke, there are itu diikuti oleh plural noun ya. There are books on the desk. Oke. Kalau negatif kita tinggal tambahkan not ya, not di dalam to be-nya. There is not, begitu, dan diikuti. Paham ya? Oke, well, we are going to the first activity. Okay. You have to analyze the sentence with crossing out the incorrect of sentence structure. Ada 4 ya. There are some sentences. Kita langsung praktek. There are some sentences that you can analyze it. Dicoret saja yang tidak tepat, ya. Is there any problem? Ya, ini perintahnya adalah dicoret yang nggak benar. Kalau ini, kira-kira, so, ya, gitu. Don't forget, write your name. Kejahatan. Have you finished? Finish? Oke. Kita bahas ya. Oke, number 1. Oke. In affirmative sentence, di dalam kalimat positif, there is or there are blah 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 many problems in the world. Apa? Oke. Kita bahas yang positif semua ya. There blah 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 lots of pollution in the road. There is or there are? Okay, there is. There are. Okay, next. There blah 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 hope for the future. There is. Okay. There blah 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 some good things coming in the future. There are. Okay. There blah 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 a new chance to make a better life tomorrow. Okay, good. In negative sentence, there blah 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 crime in the city. There is not or there are not. There aren't or there isn't. There isn't. Okay. There blah 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 much sugar in the jar. In the jar. There is not or there isn't. Okay. There is not or there isn't. Sama ya. There blah 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 a spider on the wall. There isn't. Okay, good. There blah 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 flowers and birds in the garden. There aren't. Okay. There blah 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 many poor people in this country. Okay, there aren't. Karena people itu banyak ya, jamak. Okay, in the questions, ya. In the questions. Blah blah blah, there a calendar on the wall. Oke, is there, benar. Karena hanya ada satu kita bisa lihat kata kuncinya. Blah blah blah, there are many students in the school. Oke, are there. Good. Blah blah blah, there soap in the bathroom. Is there. Blah blah blah, there are 2 cats here. Are there. Okay. Blah blah blah, there cheese on the plate. Is there. Okay. Ada yang betul semua? Okay, good. Okay, we are continuing in the second activity. Okay. Just complete the short dialogue by using there is and there are based on the picture. Nah, kalau yang ini, kalian sambil diperhatikan gambarnya. Finish. Ingat-ingat, jika uncountable noun, dia tadi pakai apa? There is or there are? Coba ini dilihat seperti contoh. So how many cars? Pakai. Kalau dia kalau dia kalimat ini, oh. Tapi kan di sini belum ada verb. You have to add verb in here. Kalau dia how much, start in the bottle. Ya bisa sih, cuman pakai itu. Finish? Okay, finish. Okay, number 1. Who will try to answer? Silakan dibaca. Okay. Aromaisa.
How many books are there? There are 3 books on the table.
Okay, the answer is 3. There are. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Number 2. Who will try? Okay, Nisa. Okay, there is. How many chair is there? Jawabannya is there and there is. Is it correct? Okay. Setuju? Setuju. Okay, good. The third, yang ketiga? Okay, Brili.
Is there much salt in the bowl? Yes, there is much salt in the bowl.
Okay, is there. Karena itu apa itu? Gambar apa? Garam. Garam bisa dihitung atau tidak? Oke, dia termasuk dalam uncountable noun. So, the answer is there. Ya, is there much salt in the bowl? Ya. Oke. Number 4. Oke, Siva. Oke. Oke, how many cars are there? Ada berapa mobil? Ya, ada berapa mobil? There are 2 cars in the garage. Ada 2 mobil di dalam garasi. Oke, the last one. The last one. Nora?
Is there a calendar on the wall?
Oke.
Yes, there is a calendar on the wall.
Oke, is there karena dia sudah ada kata kuncinya a calendar, sebuah kalender ya. Is there a calendar on the wall? Yes, there is. Bla bla bla. Nah, bisa kita menjawabnya yes there is seperti itu aja, atau bisa lengkap dengan menjelaskan pertanyaannya tadi, begitu ya. Oke, now I will divide you into some groups. Ya, the first group, second, third, and the last, ya, the fourth. Okay, look at the picture. Yeah. Okay, I have some pictures here. So you have to make a conversation that use there is and there are based on the picture. Yeah, and then you have to memorize it. Silakan dihafal. And the last, you have to practice it in front of your friends. Okay? Yuk silahkan sesuai dengan kelompoknya masing-masing, sesuai dengan tema yang sudah dibagi. Okay. The first in the classroom, and then living room, in the garden, the park ya, and dinner. Kalian bisa menyebutkan benda apa saja yang ada di situ, ya. Silakan berkelompok membuat conversation, short conversation. Nanti ada yang bilang, there is, kalian di mana? In the park. Oh, classroom. In the park. Oh, there are 3 flies, butterflies. Silakan kalian tentukan skenarionya seperti apa. Apa kalian ngajak dulu, ngajak temannya ke taman,
there's Indian there's a kid Korean. What should
enggak dong.
kan di kelas?
Oh iya. Oh iya ya. Tapi ngomongin apa?
Ya tapi kamu kayak bolos aja.
Ya pura-pura dari belakang gini dulu dong. Dari ini terus kalian duduk gitu. Jangan langsung duduk.
Naura itu datang dari
Ya.
ada apa? Kita tanya-tanya ke Naura. Di kantin itu ada apa aja? Ada berapa? Apa sih? How much?
There are 2 birds fly. With good expression. Wow. Maybe. Udah masuk nih.
Habis itu kan mati terus keluar ada WA katanya terus saya udah masuk suaranya bagus sempat terhenti lanjutkan zoomnya gitu.
How about this? This is Korean future action. Yeah. If you all want kids social video, is that harus ada dua-duanya?
Enggak, yang penting ada. Ya, enggak, jangan satu. So minimalis.
Dua.
Iya. Yang penting ada.
Ada.
Ya,
ada.
Iya. Ya udah diawalin ya. Oke. Pura-puranya kemana gitu?
Oh.
Nanti kan mereka mulai percakapan sama kayak ini dipencet hidupin satu orang aja yang di post di situ dicetir aku gitu
Nggak apa-apa dia dua-duaan hidup.
nggak apa-apa yang penting nanti kalau udah selesai matiin asal udah selesai terus udah selesai terus kalian ambil
Nice idea.
I think so.
Wah.
Kita kite. K-I-T-E. Kita. Kite.
Ya Allah.
Tulis yang rapi ya.
Emang mau diliatin?
Hah?
Mau di foto ya?
Enggak mau dibaca.
Oh enggak.
Terserah lagi. Terus juga bingung bacanya gitu. Udah hafal?
Yes, of course there are some things in there.
Have you finished? Not yet? Okay. Let's go there. Why you just draw?
Gimana? Can I? Terus itu nggak sopan banget sih. Ya kan friend.
Okay.
And then finish. Nanu eat ya, we eat. We are eating. Aku dulu. Jadi R Ash Al mana yang just end? Thank you Nis for your dinner today.
So delicious.
Yay.
Invite me again later.
Malas sudah banyak.
Okay, try. Sudah hafal? Sudah hafal?
Belum lah.
Oh.
Miss, biar surprise.
Oh, minutes ago. 10 minutes to go. Look at the tree. There is a tree. Pohonnya banyak kan?
Ya pura-pura satu.
Oh. There is a tree. There is a tree. Tree. There is a tree. Nggak perlu semua disebutin ya. Ini kan ada banyak, ada bunga, ada anak-anak, ada burung, ada minimal 2 lah yang kalian harus ada, there is or there are gitu. Good job. Kalian emang luar biasa. Silakan disusun strategi role play-nya ya. Ten minutes to go. You can memorize it. Rekaman anak lagi. Rekaman anak lagi latihan. Perman ya. Untung nggak jadi nulis. Sudah. Dicatat. Nanti kamu suruh ngulang nulis tangan dia.
Sunset Novel. I need it. 4 tahun. Oh, Higis. Nah, ini.
Udah hafal? Good. Nggak apa-apa, make it fast as possible. Maju pertama ya. Finish to memorize. Ya. Maju kedua. Ini pertama kedua. Five minutes to go. Udah hafal kan? Sip. Nanti ketika maju, silakan suaranya dikeraskan, ya. Oke, finish ya, finish. Well, time is finished. Okay. Who will try to perform? The first group. Okay, come forward. dia lemes ya.
Buat SK aja.
Okay. The first group will try to perform.
Fancy, you know. Fancy. Orang yang mana? No. Ini first. We will perform.
From group, we are from the first group. We will
Perform our performance. We will show our
yes.
performance.
Good.
Hello everyone.
Ulangin.
Ya Allah. Hello everyone. Repeat. You guys also, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone.
Hi.
So we from first group. We will show you our performance. Go on. Don't it like gitu. Ya Allah. No, don't it. Ya Allah, no. Salam. Hello guys, welcome to my home. What you wanna do here? You wanna watch a movie?
Yes, I think it's nice idea. I think so.
Okay, let's go to the living room. Sit down. Just sit down, guys. Okay. There is a cartoon movie. Do you wanna watch this movie?
No, I don't really like it. Yes, you too. I think let's change to other movie.
How about this? This one an action. This is an action movie. Do you wanna watch it?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Watch it.
Let's watch it. Done, miss.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, that's all from our performance. Thanks for your nice attention.
Salamnya.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause for the first group. Coba lihat teksnya tadi. Okay, well students, the first group, make a conversation in the living room. Tadi dia mengatakan apa? Dengar nggak? Dengar. Mereka ngomongin apa sih? Iya. Ada temennya siapa tadi? Maisha. Temennya datang ya, teman-temannya datang. Kemudian diajak ke ruang tamu untuk nonton TV. Oke. Tadi dengar apa saja yang mereka sebutkan dari penggunaan there is and there are? Katanya tadi there is a cartoon movie. Gitu ya. Do you want to watch it? Ada ajakan untuk menonton seperti itu. There is an action movie. Do you wanna watch it? Katanya tadi gitu ya. Okay. Well, good. Thank you. Okay. The first group is very good. And the second one, who will try to perform? Okay. Second group. Okay, please come forward.
Laura.
Yeah.
Okay. Introduce. No.
Yang kencang ya suaranya.
Together lah. Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Is open here? How to open it? Kita pakai saya.
Boleh, tapi dari sana dulu. Pura-puranya. Jangan langsung duduk di sini semua. Ya. Kayak ini juga emang di sini. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. We are from second group, and we will show our performance. And I'm Naura is red.
I'm Zakia as orange. I'm Alma as yellow. I'm Ron as green. I'm Kisha as blue. Please enjoy our performance.
Oke, please enjoy.
Hello guys,
Oh, hello, Red. Where have you been, Red?
I'm from canteen.
What did you buy there?
I bought some sausage and iced tea.
Is there ice cream in canteen?
Yes, there is.
And are there some candies there?
Of course, there are some candies in canteen.
Okay, let's go to canteen, guys. Okay, bye, Red.
Bye. Hey, don't forget to treat me. Geek.
Oke, give applause for the second group. Ya, ini ceritanya di kelas. Oke, terus apa?
Dia datang dari
Iya, datang dari kantin ngasih tahu tuh banyak apa aja gitu ya. Tadi sempat menyebutkan apa tadi? Oke, tadi nanya ya, is there ice cream in the canteen? Iya, is there? Oke, ya. Well, ya tadi menyebutkan is there. Ya bertanya, ada yang bertanya ya. Si Orange bertanya, is there ice cream in the canteen? Yes, there is. Katanya seperti itu. And are there some candies? Yes, of course, there are some candies in the canteen. Gitu. Oke.
Okay, thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke. Next. The third group. Please come forward. Siapa yang pakai? Saya emang. Emang kamu.
Gak bisa.
Terlalu kurang ke bawah ya. Oke, pasang. Salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from third grade and
Okay, repeat once more.
we are from third group and we will show our performance. Enjoy. From outside. Hi guys. Hello. You want to be the part and do you want to follow?
Yes, I want.
Let's go. Okay, let's. Guys, look at Wow, there are two birds flying.
Wow, guys, look at the flowers. There are some flowers that look so beautiful.
Look at the sky. There is kids fly and at this. Let's go there. We will. There are some butterflies. Yes, I'm tired. Look on the tree. Let's sit down and
Okay, let's.
Oke, give applause for the third group. Oke, wow, there are two birds flying katanya tadi. Ada dua burung terbang ya. Look at the flower, there are some flower, so beautiful. Katanya seperti itu. Ya. Kemudian di akhir dialog, di akhir percakapan, ya, ada yang capek tadi ya. I'm so tired, katanya begitu. Ada temannya yang ingin duduk di bawah pohon. Ya. There is a tree in the park. So let's sit down under the tree, katanya begitu. Oke, good job, thank you very much.
That's all from us.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya malu-malu ya, sebenarnya bagus. Gak ada yang rapi, gak ada yang rapi tulisannya. Nanti disalin ya. Oke, the last group, come forward please. Siapa yang pakai?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm Ashifa, as friend of Alifa, Nisa, and Arwa.
I'm Nisa, as a friend of Alifa, Ashifa, and Arwa.
I'm Arwa, as friend of the.
Okay, guys. Here the title is Dinner in Nisa's Home.
Oke, dinner.
Guys, do you want to dinner in my home this afternoon?
Yes, we want.
I think you guys come in my home in the afternoon.
Okay.
Waalaikumsalam, come in. How many? Guys, I have some food here for you, and yeah, let's enjoy the food.
How many food did you cook?
There are noodle, spinach vegetable, beef, potato, and sambal.
Is there fried chicken here?
I think, sorry, there is no, but yeah, I think you can take the beef.
Please take the noodle and
Okay.
Is there sambal here?
There is. Do you want?
Yes, I want.
This is for you.
So can I ask
Eunice.
Okay.
Lisa, thank you for your dinner tonight.
Yes, I think we can meet again in other day.
Thank you, Eunice. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke, give applause for the fourth group. Ini ceritanya adalah undangan makan malam ya di rumah Nisa. So many vegetable ya. There are apa tadi? There are some
Spinach,
spinach ya,
potato,
and then
beef
ya.
noodle and sambal.
Ya, there are some food ya. Ada banyak makanan di rumah Nisa. Disebutkan tadi ada bayam, ada beef ya. Ya, si Sivanya nyariin fried chicken. Dia sukanya ayam ya. Dia sukanya ayam. Disediain daging, dia sukanya ayam ya. Tadi sama Nisa dijawab there is no, tidak ada ya. Silakan makan dagingnya saja begitu. Oke, good job. Give applause once more. Oke, bagus-bagus performnya. Apalagi kalau kalian percaya diri banget gitu ya. Oke, enjoy in your perform. Thank you. Okay, well, now to check your understanding about this lesson, I will give you formative test. Just write the name. Tulis namanya saja ya, tulis namanya saja. Oke, finish. Silakan selesai ya. Oke, finish. Udah, stop. Ya, stop. Well, stop. Sudah. Well, students, today we have to learn about the use of there is and there are. So, how to use it? What are the differences between there is and there are?
There is followed by singular noun and uncountable noun, such as there is a book on the desk or there is much water in the bottle. And then there are is followed by plural noun, such as there are 3 bags on the table.
Diulangin ya. Nanti angkat tangan dulu. Kalau enggak berdiri aja biar kelihatan. Berdiri. Okay. Well, guys, students, today we have to learn about the use of there is and there are. So, how to use it? What are the differences between there is and there are itself? Okay.
There is followed by singular noun and uncountable noun, such as there's a book on the desk or there's much water in the bottle. And then there are is followed by plural noun, such as there are 3 bags on the table.
Okay, thank you, Shiva. Okay, there is followed by singular noun, and then there are followed by plural noun. Jadi there is itu diikuti dengan kata benda tunggal, sedangkan there are itu diikuti dengan kata benda jamak atau lebih dari satu. Dan there is juga diikuti oleh uncountable noun atau benda-benda yang tidak dapat dihitung. Seperti itu ya. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your nice attention. And I wanna give you suggestion. Yeah. I want to suggest you to prepare for the exam. Yeah. That will you face. Ya. Sebentar lagi kan ulangan ya. Ulangan apa? Iya, penilaian akhir semester. So, you have to prepare it well. Okay. Okay, students? Okay, let's close our meeting with saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Adalah assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, see you later.